As the internet evolves, artists face a challenge of keeping their IP up to date with current technologies and trends and time. A video on YouTube, for example, that hasn't been brought up to an HD or a 4K standard will not be competitive in the algorithm in the same way as a video that's been uploaded in the last week. So last year we started an R&D project supported by Media Cymru. We developed a health check which enables us to establish the quality of an artist's digital footprint, and another project which audits a full YouTube channel and establishes all of the optimization possibilities that there are across all of the uploaded content. Investing into R&D allowed us to create a niche and brand ourselves as a certain type of company which differentiates us from other agencies, sort of putting us out there as one of the leading companies in this space who are actually investing directly into our industry and to making it better for the future. Without innovation, then you are being led by other people who are innovating. So in order to be a leader in the world, I think you need to be focusing on innovation and R&D.